As regarding the euro crosses, here the situation is under control of the risk aversion fears connected with the situation in Syria. Kind of rising geopolitical fears should translate in lower yen crosses and probably lower Swiss crosses. But here the situation is a little bit different because, as you can see, the Swiss franc is really indifferent now to any kind of risk aversion fears connected either with United States trade policy or with geopolitical tensions over Syria, for example. Let's see the crosses side by side. As regarding the euro yen, here the situation is more or less the same from yesterday, because while we are below the levels of technical barrier around 133, we still suggest that euro yen should remain under the longer term pressure and should resume its downtrend initiated in 2018 after the pair tested the highs of 137.50 in let's see this more closer. With some problems with internet connections. Anyway, here the euro yen, as you remember, tested the February highs around 137.50 and after that entered the downtrend. While below 133, we still suggest that the pair should retain its downside focus. As regards the euro sterling, here the pressure on the lower side of currently established range between 0.87 and 0.89 should intensify in the nearest future, and probably the pair will finally close below that, and in this case should produce some meaningful lower levels for this kind of cross. As regards the euro Swiss, here the situation is really very strange. Despite of rising geopolitical tensions, the Swiss franc continues its path to the south. I mean, its path to the downside. As regards the euro Swiss, yesterday the pair broke above the highs of 2018 at 118.32, and now the focus of the market should be concentrated around psychologically important barrier 120, the level defended by Swiss National Bank in 2011-2015, as you remember that period of time. And now finally let's see the situation regarding the euro ruble. Now we see how the ruble is opened, and at the moment euro ruble is trading around 77.42. We suggest that market is really misinterpreted the last sanctions imposed by the United States administration against Russian oligarchs connected to Kremlin, and from that point of view, probably the euro ruble is ripe for a correction lower. From technical point of view, such kind of corrections should be used as to buy the pair. For example, as regard us, we will buy the pair in case of undershooting of 75.20 level with a very close stop below 74.90. Target in this case will be retest of the important barrier of 80. We suggest that any kind of move above 80 at the moment should meet a tougher interference of Russian monetary authorities, because we suggest that in that case probably the Central Bank of Russia or Minister of Finance will come into the markets to prop up the national currency. At the moment, that's all. Some later we will come with our analysis of trading block of commodity block of currencies. See you later. Bye bye for now.